Welcome to your midweek weather forecast, where it's a foggy start to the day along the west coast and the eastern interior. We're also expecting some morning light rain or drizzle over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. It'll be a mostly cloudy day with rainfall along the east coast on Wednesday, with dry and warm weather in the south. We're forecasting hot and dry weather in the southwest, with a high fire danger rating over the southwestern part of South Africa. In the afternoon, we'll see scattered thunderstorms over the northeastern and eastern interior, with isolated thundershowers as we head towards the west coast, as well as over the southwestern interior. Here's our rainfall probability map showing the possibility of morning rain over the eastern part of the Eastern Cape. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast for Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga and the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated thundershowers are expected as we head towards the Northern Cape and the southwestern interior, and we're expecting a 40% chance of rainfall along the east coast. It'll be a cooler day in the northeast with highs in the upper 20s for Gauteng and Bombela, 23 degrees for Ermelo, but with highs remaining in the low 30s for the northwest. 26 is your high for Bethlehem and Vryheid, 28 degrees for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, with highs heading into the 30s as we head towards the Eastern Cape. A warm day is forecast along the coast between Port Elizabeth and Durban, with highs in the upper 20s, 31 degrees for Richards Bay, with a fresh northeasterly wind through to East London and more of a fresh easterly wind for Port Elizabeth. Along the east coast, we can expect a 1.5 metre easterly swell at 8 seconds. The hot weather continues over the western part of the Eastern Cape and the interior part of the Western Cape, with highs heading into the mid-30s. It'll be a warm day for Muizenberg and Hermanus at 28 degrees, with a strong southeasterly wind for False Bay. You'll see a moderate southeasterly wind as we head towards Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. Still hot for the Northern Cape, with highs in the mid-30s for Uppington and Prieska. Slightly cooler for Springbok at 27. You'll see highs in the mid-20s for Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, but mid-30s for Cape Town and Longabon. A southeasterly wind is forecast for Table Bay, but more of a light southwesterly wind as we head towards Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. On Thursday, we're forecasting some drizzle for George at 25 degrees, dry and warm along the rest of the coastline, but you'll see an increase in thunderstorm activity over the interior, particularly over the northern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday.